Alright, good morning. Cooled off quite a bit last night, but it's supposed to start raining today about 2 p.m. So the goal for today is to make it to Front Royal. Gotta go buy more food, and also, I don't know, I'm used to, dude, I lose shit all over the trail this year. I've gone entire years without losing anything, but not this year. So I lost my headlamp. Probably left it at halfway hideaway hostel, whatever. Someone will find it and get a nice headlamp. Hopefully hippie finds it, then he can have it. So I gotta get to Front Royal and resupply and also buy a headlamp. Last night I got into camp a little later, so I had to do stuff when it was dark out. So my approach was I just turned on the flashlight on my phone and I did this maneuver. Here, I'm saying. But if you put your phone in the hole of your hat, you can have a headlamp. Turn on the flashlight. Yeah, I know. You already know I was a genius. Now you just really know. But it's about like 23.5 miles. Something's up here. Maybe a dude, maybe a bear. The sound I heard was a ridge runner doing trail maintenance. His name was Lucky. Cool dude. He said he doesn't think it's supposed to rain until 6. So we might be able to make it to Front Royal without getting wet. That'd be awesome. But yeah, nice cool day, dude. It is just wicked how fast all this filled in. Just I don't know, handful of days ago, there was just like, I was just starting to see buds appear on trees. And now, I mean, I'm in a jungle. That's cool. Guys, sure love these freaking highway crossings. Oh, damn it. There was an opening there, but I didn't make it fast enough. Check out this guy. Wow. Cool. Alright, I've figured some things out. I've done some planning. I've worked my little brain. So, where I was going to hitch into town is at US Route 522. Turns out there's a, what's it called? Mountain home, bed and breakfast, and cabin. There's a hostel for hikers at that road, okay? They offer a shuttle to town. When I get there, it's supposed to start raining at 3. It's going to be raining. So for me to hitch there, do my resupply, hitch back, who knows how long it's going to take. Hitching in the rain, not great. So for $40, I get a bunk, I get a shower. Sorry, I just ran into people, so I had to stop talking. I get a hitch, I get a shower, I get laundry. Dude, I get all these things for like $40. That's worth it. Because if I ended up getting into town and having to stay there too long and not being able to hitch out, dude, hotels are way more expensive. So I'm actually being smart, all right? I'm not bougie. I'm not bougie just because I'm staying at another hostel already. No, this is smart thinking. This is smart hike your trash moves right here. Pretty happy I booked that place for tonight. It's not raining too bad, but it's enough where my shoes are wet, soaks are socked. All my rain gear is working awesome though. But yeah, dude, it's nice knowing I'm gonna have like a totally dry place for the night, and also I can run my socks to the laundry if I want to. Also, this fence is U.S. government property. Wonder what they're doing back there.